So there we have it, a perfect blend of British mixed spice, ready to be used with your baking. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are talking British mixed spice, used in baking, Christmas cakes, you name it. Now, British mixed spice, we've got the common spices available here, and some people put a little tweak here and there, but this is the basic British mixed spice. And for all the people over the pond, it's very similar to pumpkin spice. However, there is a big note here that all the people that say I cannot eat cinnamon, cinnamon is the largest component of British mixed spice. So that's cinnamon. Coriander, allspice, love the smell of allspice. We got nutmeg, cloves, got ginger, and we have mace, and then we have a mix, and that is British mixed spice right there. Give it a good mix in. That is a perfect blend of mixed spice. All you've got to do now is put it in something. Put it in a bag. Now I've got this here, look, I use it all the time. So we're going to add that to this remaining amount that's in here. So in with our mixed spice, and just use it when you make your cakes. Follow the recipe. So that's British mixed spice made. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, catch you in the next video. So there we have it, a perfect blend of British mixed spice, ready to be used with your baking.